Hi, we have a very special holiday coming up this week. It's called Veterans Day. And a veteran is someone who has served in our Army or Navy or Air Force, Marines, National Guard, Coast Guard, all those soldiers that protect us and keep us safe. And so we're going to take a special day this week to say thank you to our soldiers. And so as a thank you, I'm going to teach you guys a very special song about America, about our country. And I want to start off by just kind of showing you the sign language that goes with it. We're not going to do all the words, but we're going to do some of the words just kind of help us remember the song. So this song is called America, and it starts like this. We're going to say, my country. Can we do that together? So my country. And this is actually the sign for America. So you can see that it's like our United States that we come together, right? So we have my country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty. So we're going to do this as a sign for liberty. So you kind of make a chain and then we break it like that, right? So we go, sweet land of liberty. You try that with me? Ready? Sweet land of liberty. Of thee I sing. So we say you, I'm singing about, right? We're singing about America. So we say, of thee I sing, right? So let's do all of that first part together. So we have my country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. Now here's the next part. We have to say Father. So you take your hand like that. We say Father. So we say land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride. This is the sign for pilgrim. So you take your fingers and we go like this and kind of make a collar around our neck like that. So we have land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride, from every mountainside. So this is the sign for mountain. So we say, from every mountainside, let freedom ring. That's kind of my favorite part. I love saying freedom ring. So we make our liberty again. So you make your chain. So let freedom ring, right? So then we're going to ring the bell at the end. So let's do land where my fathers died. Let's start there. Ready? Land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride, from every mountainside, let freedom ring. All right, let's try it from the beginning. I know it's a lot of words. You can watch this as many times as you need to, and we'll learn it. All right, so here we go. So we have to start with my country. You ready? My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. Land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride, from every mountainside, let freedom ring. Did you do them after me? Okay, let's try one more time, and then I'll teach you the notes that go with it. All right? So we have my country, 'tis of thee. Your turn. Sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. Land where my fathers died, land of the pilgrim's pride, from every mountainside, let freedom ring. All right, let's try and add the notes in. So we have, my country, 'tis of thee. Let's do that together. Ready? My country, 'tis of thee, Sweet land of liberty. Let's do sweet land. Ready? Sweet land of liberty. My turn. Of thee I sing. Your turn. Of thee I sing. Land where my fathers died. Your turn. Land where my fathers died. Land of the Pilgrim's pride. Your turn. Land of the Pilgrim's pride. From every mountainside. Your turn. From every mountainside. Let freedom ring. Your turn. Let freedom ring. Now, we try to put bigger chunks together. So let's try. You ready? I'll sing. If you want to sing along with me this time, you can. My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. Can we try that together? Ready? My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. Land where my fathers died, land of the Pilgrim's pride. We do land where my fathers died. Ready? Land where my fathers died, land of the Pilgrim's pride, from every mountainside, let freedom ring. We do from every mountainside, let freedom ring. Let's do that together. Ready? From every mountainside, let freedom ring. All right, we're going to try to do the whole song. And here we go. Are you ready? So, my country. My country, 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty, of thee I sing. Land where my fathers died, land of the Pilgrim's pride, from every mountainside, let freedom ring. Nice. It's a beautiful song about our country, and I hope you have a really good time learning this song this week. And the next video is going to be just the song with me playing guitar, and you can continue to sing and practice, and maybe sing it for a veteran that you know, maybe somebody that you live with, to say thank you for what they've done to protect our country. So I hope you guys have a great week. I will see you soon.